give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Thursday, the 19th of February. Lungo here this morning with crema. Nice and strong. If you have your Bibles, turn to Psalm 37, verse 7. 37, Psalm 37, verse 7. Rest in the Lord and wait patiently for him. Do not get upset because of one who is successful in his way, or because of the person who carries out wicked schemes. Mary and Martha come to mind as soon as I read this verse, and Martha's busy doing for Jesus, and Mary is sitting at his feet. Martha complains, and Jesus says, you worry about so many things. Mary's doing the right thing. But even if Martha came and sat at Jesus' feet, I think her mind would be all over the place. And even though she was physically sitting still, she wouldn't really listen, because there's a rhythm of quietness. There's a rhythm of being still and waiting patiently for the Lord. And any relationship takes time. Any relationship takes being together in union, in stillness, om by mekaar te wees, in mekaar se teenwoordigheid, sonder om iets vir mekaar of saam met mekaar te doen, net om saam te wees, bou verhouding baie keer, en in stilte, alleen, saam, is dit nog soveel meer. And Mary and Martha, I think it's not just in the doing, I think it's in the state of the heart and in the busyness of the mind that Martha had a problem. And I want to encourage you to think about how rushed you are, how busy your thoughts are, how anxious your heart is, or just how busy you keep yourself. Even when you're sitting still, your mind is flitting and jumping and never really calm and at peace and present with people around you. Just a thought, something to think about. Rest in the Lord and wait patiently for him. Find moments in today to just slow down, relax, and be. Thought for the day. I hope it's a wonderful Thursday, and a slow and a still and a restful one in the Lord. And enjoy the coffee moments especially.